The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele achieves a first-class cleaning performance. Quattro cleaning power makes the Miele Scout RX2 particularly powerful. The new corner brushes sweep dust reliably below the unit. These fan-shaped side brushes can reach along edges easily and ensure particularly thorough cleaning in corners. When the Scout RX2 encounters an obstacle, the flexible side arms are simply retracted to prevent the unit from getting caught. The specially developed roller brush collects coarse dirt particles and fibers with a combination of dense bristles and rubber lips. Behind the roller brush is another suction area. This narrow opening is in close contact with the floor and picks up even the finest of dirt particles thanks to the high suction power. This high suction power comes from the high speed of the brushless power motor, which is particularly efficient and durable. With Quattro cleaning power, which consists of side brushes, roller brush, suction aperture and motor, the Scout RX2 cleans extremely powerfully. This is supported by the floor covering detection system. The Scout RX2 detects carpets and cleans them with maximum power. With the perfect combination of Quattro cleaning power and floor covering detection, the Scout RX2 achieves a first-class cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. The Miele Scout RX2, powerful, intelligent, progressive.
Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot, the power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization, the Roomba 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface, working non-stop, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experience of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the Roomba 900 series from just about anywhere, at any time. In short, the Roomba takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. Cleaner floors throughout your entire home, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.
Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? iLife ShineBot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. ShineBot W400 Tidal Power Cleaning System works in 4 steps: moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains. It tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean. leaving a safe space for you. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by. iLife ShineBot, the intelligent floor washing robot.
Say hello to the BravaJet mopping robot from iRobot. And say goodbye to everyday messes. Just press clean. BravaJet automatically knows what to do. The precision jet spray loosens dirt, while the vibrating cleaning head gently scrubs stains. BravaJet uses iRobot's advanced navigation software and a full suite of sensors to map and track where it's been, helping it mop in an efficient, systematic cleaning pattern. It keeps going until the whole room is clean. BravaJet is great for kitchens and bathrooms. It's small enough to work its way into tight spots. It carefully cleans around obstacles, so it won't harm furniture, rugs, or walls. When it's done, simply eject the pad. Your hands never touch the dirt. BravaJet features 3 cleaning modes. It recognizes the type of cleaning pad and automatically adjusts the way it cleans. Attach a wet mopping pad, and BravaJet uses a triple pass cleaning motion, precision jet spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to tackle dirt and stains. Attach a damp sweeping pad, and BravaJet uses a double pass cleaning motion, reduced spray, and water-activated cleaning agent to gently clean everyday dust and dirt. With a dry sweeping pad, BravaJet traps and locks dust, dirt, and pet hair using a single pass cleaning motion. BravaJet is great for hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone, so you can enjoy cleaner floors and a fresher home every day. You, BravaJet, and iRobot. Better together.